What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Now, you just got your $1,200 stimulus check, and now it's time to double that thing through the stock market. Let's get right into it. All right, guys, first thing you want to do is open your brokerage account. I'm going to be using, for this video, I'm going to be using my Robinhood. I do have 3 other brokers that I use. Please check out the link below to claim your free stock of your Robinhood once you sign up, or Webull. I also use Webull, and you can get 2 free stocks once you sign up and deposit your first $100, and these stocks can be valued up to $1,400. So be sure to check that out. So as you can see now, we're in my Robinhood account, and I actually put in roughly $1,200 to simulate this video. Unfortunately, did not qualify for the $1,200, but I went ahead and put in $1,200 in buying power to represent a stimulus check that I wish I got. But since we're looking to double our $1,200, we're going to be taking a little bit, some higher risks. However, we do want to set the foundation on our investment with a solid growth stock. We want to buy 1 share of Apple. Currently it's trading at $278 a share. You want to hit that buy button. Let's just go ahead and go market value for time's sake and swipe up. Boom, order completed. We got it in at $278.05. Apple's going nowhere, and it's definitely going to be positioned to basically to hold the fort down. You want to always have a solid foundation or safe haven for no matter what happens. You know you have your money invested somewhere that's going to be truly safe and appreciating. Now I want to go into our second stock, which we go back here. We want to slide down. See if you can find it. All right, New Gold. Now, you guys know that, and you guys always see it in my videos, gold is going to be on an incline as the feds continue to pump money into the economy. With these terrible times that are going on with the pandemic, the value of the dollar will weaken as we continue to pump trillions into the economy, raising our national deficit. Now, with the new stimulus package that has been proposed to the House, the video I released, if you guys haven't seen that, check it out. There'll be a link below for that as well. They're wanting to give basically everyone $2,000 a month. We will be pumping trillions more into the economy if we haven't done so already, which will raise the question of potentially present hyperinflation, which we definitely want to avoid. As your dollar weakens, the price of everything rises. As you get more money, as the economy pump more money, the price of everything rises consistently with that. Gold is going to be the way we counteract that. As we know the dollar will weaken as they continue to pump money, we're going to buy gold. Now, New Gold is going to be obtainable position for you guys. As you can see, in the past month, they're up 26% as a major rebound. They're based out of Canada, a major operations in Canada. Now with New Gold, we're at $1,200 at 74 cents a share. Let's go ahead and buy 350 shares. Bada boom. Nice. All right, it went through. Market value, awesome. Let's see. So once again, guys, we want to be ahead of the market. If we know a lot of representatives are going to be pumping out different bill ideas to help to assist the economy, which we do appreciate, but we can be ahead of the game by getting into gold right now, as we do know the value of the dollar will be weakened, and we can just be 1 step ahead of the game with that. So for more of you intermediate investors who want to get into the largest gold reserve, you can always just go into ticker symbol GLD, and this will be the largest gold reserve the market has to offer. And as you can see, they're also up 13% in the last month. And this is backed by a true gold reserve if you really want to invest in gold. The next company we'll be investing in will be Docusign. Now, if you guys haven't heard of Docusign, it's an electronic signature-based company. I used Docusign a lot before the pandemic took place, and ever since COVID has begun, Zoom and those type of digital companies that allow you to continue day-to-day operations electronically have skyrocketed. And now I understand you typically don't want to get on a trend after it's already gotten rolling. However, we must ride this wave as we do not know when this all will subside. We don't know when this thing will be over. So what we're going to do at $102 a share, we're going to buy 3 shares of Docusign at market value, $306. Swipe up. We're going to lock it in. Awesome. We're going to lock in our Docusign, as this thing I project will continually go up through the duration of this pandemic. Now I'm going to call this a pandemic stock. As the COVID or the virus slows, you guys want to be sure to continually monitor these stocks that you're making due to the virus. As the virus slows down, you want to be sure to carefully monitor these type of positions you're taking so you know when to escape or when to make your exit from the company. Now, but once again, I'm a true believer in Docusign with or without the pandemic. However, I do feel as if they have definitely caught a huge boost, and it's a fact, they've caught a huge boost due to COVID-19. Next position we're going to be taking, and if you guys haven't heard, oil prices are at an all-time low. Oil futures, crude oil futures at an all-time low. Futures that have dropped today to the below $1 mark. It's unprecedented. We've never seen it before. Now this is a lot to do with the May contracts expiring tomorrow. However, with crude oil prices being this low due to, of course, what's going on again in the economy, we know there will be a major comeback for oil, period. News is spreading that a lot of oil companies are actually having a hard time even selling their oil. So that means they're literally drilling this oil. They're running out of spaces or storage to put the barrels of oil that they're pulling from the dirt. Now, when, not if, but when the economy recovers, when planes are back and flying to normal, when everybody's back on the road, when everything comes back to normal, this will be one of the biggest bounce back of the entire market, the oil industry, crude oil industry. And this right here, UCO, this is a Bloomberg crude oil ETF. Now this is a double or 2x leverage. Now the 2x portion means it's a double leverage, double risk, or potentially double reward. With a 2x leverage, if the market is up in this section of, let's say, 2%, this ETF would traditionally represent 4% return of that day. It's a double leverage. So yes, it's higher risk, but once again, we are trying to double our money. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna trade by $1.34. We're gonna buy 176, I believe was the number. We can do 178, yeah. We wanted to get $240 in. So closest possible $240. We want to get 179 shares and swipe up at market value. And we got it at a discount. Awesome. By the end of Q3, oil prices will be back to almost normal. When I say normal, I mean pre-pandemic levels. So imagine that you're getting in on the ground level, the bottom floor of oil prices. This is for crude oil, this is unprecedented, and you definitely want to see yourself as the pioneers of getting in when it's at its all-time low. So this is going to be great for a future hold right here. All right, guys, let's check to see how much buying power we have left. $122, and we're going to be taking as much delta as possible. Let's just go into it. Ticker symbol DAL. Delta Airlines. Okay, let's see how much we can afford. I think we could take at least 5. All right, perfect. So we're gonna knock it out right now. Okay, gotta make a limit. Let me price to review. Let's see if I can get it in, guys. 1 second. Okay, so currently pending my order. I'll let you know. It looks like it's been executed. Order completed. Done. Awesome. So you guys know Delta. Just like other airline companies, they've been affected tremendously by the pandemic. And I'm a true believer in Delta, just like in my other video, I've also stated that. And you guys want to be in another ground floor when you think about the last decade of Delta. They haven't been this slow in many, many years. So you guys are getting in another great level on a company that's going to be verbally backed by the president. They will be bailed out if things were to really hit the fan. And I believe there's going to be I believe this will easily be a 2x stock by the end of 2020. Now we go to our buying power. We do have $5 remaining. And now let's go ahead and spread the wealth. We have $5. Let's see what we can do here. And I love me some gold. So let's see if we can buy us. All right. 6 shares of new gold. Let's knock it out of the park. Icing on the cake. Done. And we have successfully invested our stimulus check. And now you guys want to make sure you guys monitor the pandemic positions you're taking. So you want to look at the Docusign, because once again, once this pandemic slows, once the virus slows and runs its course, the boost that has been given to Docusign will regress, meaning it will come back down to earth. So you guys want to definitely monitor that, but you want to ride the wave and take those profits before this is over. Gold. While we continue to pump money into this economy, you guys definitely want to keep an eye on that. And once everything gets better, what you really want to do is reduce your position. You don't want to eliminate your position in commodity, but you want to reduce to a 10%. 10%, not 20, but more on the 10% side. And ideally for commodities, that's where you want to be. An Apple, just don't touch it. Just literally watch it and you're welcome. I made a video about a month ago, I feels like, when they're at 242, now they're at 280 or whatever. You just want to watch it, enjoy the ride as they go all the way to the top. And Delta, you guys are in great position. If you follow these to the T, I'm very confident that we will be making money together. And congratulations if you got your stimulus check, and even more congratulations when it makes you money. So guys, I appreciate you guys stepping in for watching this video. Please be sure to sign up for Robinhood if you like that brokerage. They're really cool. It's really simple. Not too many complex things you could do on there. When it comes to my complex trading, when it comes to day trading and options trading, I like using a couple other different brokerage accounts that I have. Check out the links below, guys, for sure. If you guys want to sign up and get your free stock with Webull, as soon as you deposit $100, you're given access to 2 free stocks, one that can be valued up to $1,400, guys. So please check that out. And I want to make this time to give some shout outs to the people in the comment section. Shout outs of the day should be on the screen right now. I appreciate you guys. Please like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment below. It's your boy P, and until next time, peace.